This is an amazing trick for sleep and something that a lot of people, particularly nowadays, we miss. You could call it screen time, but it's literally the time that you're on the computer. Figure the computer, you could be wearing blue blocking glasses, but you're still going to get the electromagnetic frequency off. That interrupts the normal function of mitochondria. In fact, it can actually damage mitochondria. Not just the blue light coming off, but there's also a frequency or vibration that negatively affects your body along with the EMF. So make sure, and remember, the body goes on 90-minute cycles. So if you can get away from a computer screen 2 hours before you go to bed, and I know it sounds tough because particularly, nowadays we're looking at our cell phone, we're looking at a computer, we're watching YouTube videos or something, okay? Get a book, okay? Sit down. If you're with somebody, have a conversation, go for a walk, get outside, get out in nature if you can. If it's wintertime and it's cold, don't do it. But just take a few minutes to change the influence in your body, in your mind, in order to prepare for the greatest tissue cell production that you're going to go through during the day, that rapid eye movement cycle when you're in sleep. So avoid screen time at least 2 hours before bed. And do something fun. Read, have a conversation, go for a light walk, get outside. Outside air is way better than inside air. And this is going to be a fantastic thing, but avoid screen time at least 2 hours before bed. And your body's going to thank you for it by giving you that beautiful night's sleep.